Let's review the Sassify module by Rudy Afandi as featured in ProcessWire Weekly number 124. This module is a template level tool for easily compiling SAS/SCSS files. Let's go to the module settings. And as you can see, we have a number of different options that we have to set. So what I want to do is use the UIKit CSS framework, the SAS version, which comes from the Bower package. So let's get that first. In this tab here, I have it loaded in GitHub. So let's download the zip file for that. So I've unzipped the compressed file and I've extracted it into the templates folder of my ProcessWire site. Let me go ahead and rename that just to UIKit. And if we go into the folder, we'll see that we have a SCSS folder, which also contains all the relevant SCSS files in the core and the components directory. Let's go back to our ProcessWire installation. So now we need to configure the options here. Let's call our output file to be main.css. So let's modify our SCSS folder path to match the UIKit one, like so. And the entry file name is uikit.scss, as we saw a moment ago. Let's set the output to be crunched, and this guide here explains the differences between all the different compiler options. Now let's save our changes. And one final thing that we need to do is to modify our template files based on the documentation of the Sassify module. As you can see, we need to use a syntax like this to indicate all the SCSS files being utilized. So we're in our text editor. So let's open our basic page.php file. And we no longer need this main.css line, so we'll remove that. I'll go ahead and paste in a pre-configured line of text that contains the necessary code to load the correct SCSS files from UIKit. And we're loading 3 SCSS files: the UIKit-variables file, the UIKit mixins file, and the UIKit file. Once again, let's review that by going to the UIKit folder, the SCSS directory, and those are the 3 files that we have. And the order that it appears in should be as displayed here. And we can modify our variables file. So let's just do that to double check our settings. Let's make the background red to verify that it is in fact working. Let's save our changes. And now let's go to the front end of our website. Now give it a moment as it compiles. And as you can see, our file has been compiled into the main.css file shown here. And we can view that, and our files have been sassified.